Good morning. Uh, Hope you all know myself. This is Naresh, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I taught you fundamentals of computer science in first year, first semester. This semester, I'm going to teach you data structures, right? And computer organization also, CO. For these two subjects, I'm going to teach you for this semester. First, the contents of data structure: introduction to data structures, classification and operations on data structures, preliminaries of algorithm, algorithm analysis and complexity, recursive algorithms, searching techniques, linear search, binary search, Fibonacci search, sorting techniques, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort and merge sort. And the last concept is comparison of sorting algorithms. Okay, these are the topics which are available in first unit. One more time: introduction, classification and operations on data structures, preliminaries of algorithm, algorithm analysis and complexity, recursive algorithms, searching techniques, linear search, binary search and Fibonacci search, sorting techniques, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick and merge sort, and comparison of algorithms. Comparison of all these sorting algorithms. First, introduction to data structures. A data structure is a way of storing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently and it will allow the most efficient algorithm to be used. A data structure should be seen as a logical concept that must addresses two fundamental concerns. That is, first, how the data will be stored, and second one, what operations will be performed on it. First, let a simple definition for data structure. A data structure is a collection of individual data elements which are stored in a proper order for inserting and accessing the elements. Here, a proper order means if you can place the elements in a data structure in a proper way, it is very easy to access. Easy to access means if you want to perform any operations on data structure which gives you an efficient way. Here it can be used efficiently means efficiency means if you can keep your balls on a box in a proper way, it is easy to pick the balls from the box. If you can place the balls in a different ways, it is somewhat difficult to pick the balls from the box. So before going to place the balls in the box, if you can follow some order, it gives you efficient for accessing the elements. So a data structure is a way of storing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. You have to observe the word efficiently. For efficiency means accessing easy. See, it is very essential to observe 2 points here. First one is how the data will be stored, and second one, what operation will be performed on it. So we have to place the some data on data structure. So what are the operations which we perform on the data stored in data structure? Okay, those two are very important points. Here, classification of data structures. Classification of data structures. Data structures can be classified as simple data structures, compound data structures, linear data structures, and non-linear data structures. In general, we are discussed linear and non-linear only, but here we mentioned four different types of data structures. One is simple data structure, second one is compound data structure, third one is linear data structure, fourth one is a non-linear data structure. Okay, here the diagram itself says you data structures, simple data structures, compound data structures. Again, compound data structures can be divided into linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structures are stacks, queues, lists. We can also call it as a linked list. And trees and graphs are said to be non-linear data structures. In addition to stack, queue, and list, we can also add array. Array is also a linear data structure. Okay, this is the classification of data structure. Data structures can be divided into two types: simple data structures and compound data structures. And a compound data structure again can be divided into two types: linear data structure, non-linear data structure. Linear data structures are arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists, and non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. First, what is simple and compound data structure? What is simple and compound data structures? Simple data structure can be constructed with the help of primitive data structure. A primitive data structure used to represent the standard data types of any one of the computer languages, that is variables, arrays, pointers, structures, unions, etc. are examples of primitive data structures. Say, already I told you simple data variable. You know variable is a data name which is stored a single data value. Array is a data structure and a collection of elements which are of having same data type. A pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Structure and union both are having same, that is collection of elements of different data types, but there is a difference between structure and union with the allocation of memory. Okay, next, what compound data structures? Compound data structures can be constructed with the help of any one of the primitive data structure, and it is having a specific functionality. It can be designed by user. It can be classified as linear data structure and non-linear data structures. See, compound data structures can be divided into two types: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. One more time, data structure is nothing but collection of individual data elements. Like array, you know, array is a collection of elements of similar data type elements. Like that, data structure is also a collection of individual data elements, but while you store the elements in a data structure, you need to follow some order. Okay, if you can follow the order while storing the elements, it is very easy to access the elements while you need. Right? Here the compound data structures can be divided into linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Then what is meant by linear and non-linear data structure? What is meant by linear and non-linear data structure? See, first one, linear data structure. You just observe one point. Linear data structure means, in linear data structure, the elements are stored or arranged in a continuous fashion. Means you have to follow specific order specific order for arranging the elements. But non-linear data structure is opposite. You cannot follow any specific order, right? Here, linear data structure can be constructed as a continuous arrangement of data elements in the memory. While you store the elements in a memory by using a linear data structure, you have to follow a continuous allocation of memory, means sequential order. You have to allocate the memory for the elements in a sequential fashion or continuous fashion. It can be constructed by using array data type. Hope you know array in C language. An array is a collection of elements of similar data type elements. Store the elements in a continuation fashion, right, or continuous memory allocation. In the linear data structure, the relationship of adjacents is maintained between the data elements. Adjacents means side by side. Adjacent elements means side by side elements. All the elements which you are trying to place in an array is stored in a side by side manner and continuation fashion. You cannot put the elements in one place and some other place or some other place like that. Suppose an array of 5 elements. An array is capable of placing 5 elements. That means 0 to 4. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. That means 5 elements. So if you want to put elements, for the first element is placed at A of 0 and the second element is stored in A of 4th. It is not possible. So the second element is must be placed in A of 1, and the third element is placed in A of 2, and like that only. So the elements are placed in the array in a continuous memory allocation or adjacent memory allocations or sequential memory allocation, right? And a non-linear data structure, it is opposite of linear data structures. Non-linear data be constructed as a collection of structures can randomly distributed set of data items joined together by using a special pointer tag. In non-linear data structure, the relationship of adjacent is not maintained between the data items. Simply the opposite of linear data structure. See, while you store the elements in a non-linear data structure, the memory allocation for non-linear data structures are allocated in not a continuation fashion. See, some element is placed in somewhere and some other element is placed in some other way, and like that only. So it cannot follow sequential allocation of memory, and they cannot follow adjacent. Adjacency is not maintained. Adjacency means side by side. So in non-linear data structure, it cannot follow adjacency. Simply, while you use linear data structures, the elements are stored in a memory in a continuation manner or sequential fashion. But when comes to non-linear data structures, it cannot follow adjacency allocation of memory or sequential fashion. The elements are placed randomly. Randomly means some element is placed in A of 0, the next element is placed in A of 5, and next element is placed in A of 3, and some element is placed in A of 10, like that. It cannot follow a sequential order. Okay, that is about non-linear data structure. Next, what are the possible operations which are possible to operate on data structures? Okay, which are possible operations are performed on data structures? Add an element, delete an element, traverse, sort the list of element, search for a data element. These are the 5 possible operations which are possible to operate on the data structures. One more time, these are the operations possible to operate on data structure. We have to add an element into the data structure, we have to delete an element from the data structure, and we have to traverse. See, a traverse or search, which gives you a little bit similar. Traverse means if you want to go somewhere, how can we move or traverse? Traverse an element, traverse a particular location, or sort the list of element. Sort. Hope you know sort. Sorting is the process of arranging the elements in a proper order. That means either in ascending order or descending order. Sorting, one more time, sorting is the process of arranging the elements in a proper order. Either it may be ascending order or descending order. So you need to sort the elements which are placed in the data structure, and search for data element. Searching, you have to find a particular element in the data structure. Searching means, suppose we have 100 elements in our data structure, you need to find one particular element, whether that element is present in the data structure or not. Suppose we have 1 to 10 numbers in your data structure, you need to find whether the 7 is present in the list or not. That is nothing but searching. Searching means you have to identify whether the particular element, searching element, is present in the list or not. Okay, if it is found, the element is found, otherwise the element is not present in the list. These are the possible operations performed on data structures. Thank you.